Batis have been roasted evenly with golden brown like this. Now these batis, these can be served with dal by pouring deshi ghee on it. For churma, I am going to take these unsalted bati and grind it in the mixture. These are angraiya which I had prepared. These can be served with deshi ghee by pouring desi ghee on it. See, I have grinded all these bati in the mixer and grinder. And now I am going to add, either you can add this bura or you can add jaggery powder also, because jaggery is rich in iron. So health point of view, we can add this jaggery also like this. The sweetness you can make according to your taste. This churma is ready. Now while serving, we can add cardamom powder and whatever available dry fruits you have at home during this lockdown period. You can use muskmelon seeds, because muskmelons are coming these days. You can dry the seeds and slit them and use their seedlings for the dry fruit purpose like this. Now these roasted angraiya you can again roast on the gas flame if you feel like that they are not properly color has come, or directly you can add ghee, deshi ghee on these angraiya and bati these like this. Like this. They look awesome and taste very nice. We can use these angraiya in the daily routine also, because sometimes kids don't like to eat dal. So we can make the dough with the dal and make paratha or these angraiya for the nutrient point of value. Now I am going to prepare papad sabji. For this, I have roasted these papad in a circular design for 2 to 3 minutes. You can use any papad, or either you can use lasun save also, which is available in the market. For making the puree, I have taken chach or curd finely mixed, added haldi, jeera, hing, dhania, red chili powder and salt. A little bit of gram flour also, so that the gravy is thickened. After mixing it evenly, I am going to microwave it for at least 5 minutes so that all the ingredients are cooked. While the ingredients are cooked, then we are going to do all the plating of all the dishes which we have made today. See, my gravy is about to ready. It is thickened in the microwave. You can use the temperature 180 or 240 if the bowl is the smaller one like mine. See, the gravy is ready. Now we can add these papad which are roasted in microwave when we are going to serve like this. And the papad sabji is ready. You can decorate it with green coriander.